Hi, I'm Bridger DeVille with Benchmark Maps. Today I'm going to show you how to publish a digital recreation map for the Avenza Maps app. Here at Benchmark, we have a lot of our titles on Avenza. What you're seeing here is a user selecting a map from their library, finding their current location, and browsing around the map. It's a great user experience to have a flattened map on your device, knowing that all the data is right there in the image, and all you need to do is look around and read it. Navigate while you're traveling. You can find recreation points of access and bookmark places that you want to go or have been with images and notes. So how do we get all this in there? Well, first we have to define the deliverable. And what we want to give them is a seamless digital map of the entire state that is available for offline use. To give you a sense of the scale of this, just one page pair from our Colorado Atlas is over 20 inches wide and over 15 inches tall. There's over 45 of these in the book. So to get the entire state into one digital file, we have to get it down to about 270 megabytes. If we were to print this all as one sheet, it'd be over 10 feet wide and 7 feet tall, covering a wall. So how do we do it? How do we get that map into the device? Well, we do it through Avenza's vendor site. When you log in, you can see all of your products. You can add, edit, update, and archive them. You can view your accounting statistics. You can edit your product information. It's a very simple interface. You basically go through and update your descriptions, your publication dates, your pricing. You can confirm all of your images and set it to review. Here's a recent example, our new British Columbia Atlas that hasn't actually printed yet. Our digital files are ready, but altogether they're about a gig total, which is too large for this system and really too large to ask a consumer to download. So we've segmented these into 4 different regional maps that average about 250 megabytes each. That's that sweet spot I was talking about for a large map file. We can sell these individually or as a discounted bundle in the map store. The steps are very simple. We go to the vendor site, we log in, we click Add New. We upload a file. Here are their submission guidelines, but really importantly, it prefers GeoTIFFs and GeoPDFs. They need to be less than 250 megabytes on average. You can press them a little bit further, but we haven't seen anything go through less than 500. 10,000 pixels on the longest side and one geo-referenced frame. That means if you have an inset map, you just want to separate it and set it up as a separate product. Once the upload is complete, and it usually takes less than 5 minutes, you can click Add Map, and that will kick it over to Avenza, and they take it from there. They process the file, make sure that its attributes and georeferencing are correct, and then they send a confirmation email to the account manager. Once all of our products are complete, it's real simple just to go in and edit the attributes of them all. And once you're happy with it, you simply submit it for review. And that's the final step where Avenza will manually check it and then activate it live on the site. So now the user experience is simply to shop for a map and find it in the store. You can do that either by keyword or looking on the map itself. But here we have that new British Columbia landscape map. They can purchase it, download it. Takes less than a few minutes for it to download as well. And that's how you publish a digital recreation map. Now you can use it. Thanks for your time. Check us out more.